To use Google Wallet Tap to Pay, start by ensuring your device supports Near Field Communication, or NFC, and that it is enabled. Most modern Android devices have this feature, but it is always good to check. Next, download and install the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store if you do not already have it. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to set it up. You will need to sign in with your Google account and agree to the terms of service. After setting up the app, add a payment method to your Google Wallet account. You can do this by tapping the plus sign and selecting the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Enter your card details and verify the information. You may be asked to confirm your identity with your bank. With your payment method added, wake up and unlock your device to use Google Wallet Tap to Pay. Look for the Google Wallet app on your device and open it. Select the card you want to use for the transaction and you will see a prompt to tap to pay. When you are at a store that accepts contactless payments, tap your device to the payment terminal. You will know it is working when you see a check mark on the screen and hear a sound. This indicates that the payment has been processed successfully. As a best practice, make sure to keep your device locked when not in use to prevent unauthorized transactions. Also, be aware of your surroundings when using Google Wallet Tap to Pay. As you would with any other payment method, in addition to making payments, Google Wallet also allows you to store loyalty cards, gift cards, and other passes. You can add these to your Google Wallet account in the same way you added a payment method. Overall, using Google Wallet Tap to Pay is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. By following these steps and using the app responsibly, you can take advantage of the benefits of contactless payments and make your daily purchases easier and faster.